to go ahead and experiment with our special effects. Now there are various types of special effects. All of these, ripple, for example, blur, brightness decrease, and that will give the a duller image to the clip or video, and brightness increase. Now something I want to emphasize about this, let's go ahead and take a look, for example, at the brightness increase. We'll put it here. With the brightness increase, what we're going to find, let me go ahead and put this in the timeline view, just make it easier for a moment. It actually has the effect of enhancing the brightness. Now, not that we needed to have brightness enhanced on that particular image, but that's what brightness increase does. We can take that brightness increase and lay it right back on top of that same image, and it continues to make that image brighter every time. So what we're learning about any of the effects is that there's a layered approach, and you can actually, and I just want to bring it here, you can actually continually apply an effect to an image to enhance it more and more and more. Now obviously we didn't need to add that much brightness to that particular image, however it's possible. So adversely we can, or conversely, we can put a dark on it to decrease it and decrease it and decrease it, but we're beginning to distort that image. So at some point it may actually make more sense, and we can do this easier from the storyboard view, to come and begin to do what I showed you before, which is to remove the effects completely and begin over. However, all effects are added in essentially the same way. You can view them prior to applying. Of course, we've got tons and tons and tons of effects, and once you have applied one, you try it out. You always preview your effects. So again, let's just take one here, and first off, you can preview them in this respect, but what we really mean in a preview is to look at the image that you apply the effect to and see how it may actually impact that particular image. Alright, and if that's what you wanted. In our instance, I really don't want that effect, but take a look at it before you actually publish the video. Okay, so that's an overview of effects. Now we're going to move on to some more specific